We are on our 7th demo day now, but we wanted to take a moment to highlight some of the companies that have achieved some great milestones this year. First up, we have Tomtex, a New York-based company that is creating bio-based leather. We're really excited about Tomtex, not just because they are a New York-based company, but when they came to Indiebio, they had a very small sample size of the leather they wanted to produce, and now they are on the fashion runways of Paris and New York. They've also just closed a seed round of $2.25 million. Another company that you could have seen on the runway is BioFluff. They are creating plant-based fur and closed a seed round of $2.5 million. In addition, they announced a brand partnership with Stella McCartney for their new brand, Savion. Bioeutectics is another materials company we're excited about that's creating green solvents. They recently closed a seed round of $2.1 million and are moving their headquarters to Oklahoma.
So 2023 was a big year for our food companies. New Cocoa recently closed the seed round, but they also announced a collaboration with Cope, a Swiss manufacturing giant and supermarket chain, to try out their new cocoa-free chocolate ingredients across their product portfolio. And then there's Microterra as well, which announced a new product called Flora, which is a functional fiber ingredient which not only increases the perception of sweetness in foods, but also reduces the reliance of sugar in those products. And they simultaneously announced a partnership with Tetra Pak, so they'll be testing their ingredients across different product applications in the coming year.
And I'm going to tell you about 3 companies from our human health portfolio, starting off with RizLab, that makes a portable white blood cell counter. Huge amount of progress has been made by this company, both in the program where they did a clinical study and also beyond that. Recently received a $2.5 million BARDA grant and also published the clinical study data just this week. The next company I want to tell you about is Cayuga Biotech, making a coagulant factor. Huge amount of progress being seen both in the program and beyond. Just about to enter the phase 1 clinical trials. They've received a grant from the US Department of Defense for over $3 million to help them fund their clinical trials. And the third company I want to talk about is Cell Bioengines, another New York-based company that's actually in the clinic. They've recently signed an agreement with Mattel to do the production that they need for the clinical lot. Again, it's another company that we've seen from very early days all the way into the clinic. What you've seen here is just a small sample of the many companies across the Indiebio New York portfolio. If you're interested in any of the companies that we've highlighted, or any of the companies in the broader portfolio, please contact us. When you're investing in an Indiebio company, you're investing in the future of human and planetary health. Come and join us.